Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keeps turning on and off. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, first of all, offload unused apps. So guys, if you are not using apps, so offload them. So go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So scroll down and find the apps. So like this. So guys, like this, I'm not using this freeform app, like, so simply tap on offload. So you can reinstall when you need to use. So go back now, and then after this the next solution is update your iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest version if you have available the update. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So go back now, go back now. So guys, and then after this, the next and the last solution is hard reset your iPhone. So for the hard reset iPhone, so simply tap on volume up, volume down, and power off button. So tap on volume up, volume down, and power off. So hold the power button for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So wait for the restart. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone restarting issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.